Hello everyone, welcome to MCQ Nerd, where studying is fun. This video is all about UPSC polity questions on specifically making of the constitution. Each round has 10 points. Can you reach top 1%? Let's find out. Level 1. For warm-up, who was the first person to put forward the idea of a constituent assembly for India in 1934? Answer is M.N. Roy. Next question is the Constituent Assembly was constituted in November 1946 under the scheme formulated by. Answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question is who was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly during its first meeting? Answer is Dr. Satchidananda Sinha. Next question is the Objectives Resolution, which laid down the fundamentals of the constitutional structure, was moved by. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is who was appointed as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Sir B.N. Rao. Next question is on which date did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag of India? Answer is July 22, 1947. Next question is how many total sessions did the Constituent Assembly hold to complete the Constitution? Answer is 11. Next question is who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question is the Constitution of India was officially adopted and enacted on. Answer is November 26, 1949. Next question is who was the calligrapher of the original Indian Constitution? Answer is Prem Bihari Naren Raizada. Congratulations, you have completed level 1 successfully. You are gonna ace level 2. According to the Cabinet Mission Plan, what was the total strength of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is 389. Next questions: which of the following functions was not performed by the Constituent Assembly? Answer is election of the first Prime Minister of India. Next questions: who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Sardar Patel. Next questions: after the withdrawal of the Muslim League members from the Constituent Assembly, the total strength of the assembly came down to. Answer is 299. Next question is on which date did the Constituent Assembly meet as the first Parliament of Free India? Answer is November 17, 1947. Next question is who chaired the Fundamental Rights Subcommittee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is J.B. Kriplani. Next question is which member of the drafting committee was replaced by N. Madhava Rao due to ill health? Answer is B.L. Mittal. Next question is the States Committee was headed by. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is how many members of the Constituent Assembly were actually present on January 24, 1950 to sign the final constitution? Answer is 284. Next question is who was the chief draftsman of the constitution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer is S.N. Mukherjee. You already deserve a cup of coffee. You are on level 3. Stay watching to be the top 1%. Who among the following was the secretary to the Constituent Assembly? Answer is H.V.R. Iyengar. Next question: when the Constituent Assembly met as a legislative body, as the Provisional Parliament, who presided over its sessions? Answer is G.V. Mavalankar. Next question: which of the following statements regarding the elephant as a symbol of the Constituent Assembly is correct? Answer as it was adopted as the seal of the Constituent Assembly. Next question: who was the chairman of the Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas Subcommittee? Answer is A.V. Thakur. Next question: how many women members were part of the Constituent Assembly in total? Answer is 15. Next question: who was the only Muslim woman member of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Begum Aizaz Rasool. Next question. Which committee of the Constituent Assembly was headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad? Answer is Ad Hoc Committee on the National Flag. Next question. The first draft of the Constitution of India was prepared in October 1947 by. Answer is Sir B. N. Rao. Next question. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. On which specific date did the members of the Constituent Assembly sign the 3 copies of the Constitution? Answer is January 24, 1950. You are doing really great. Only 1% of UPSC aspirants can get to the end of life. With reference to Indian history, the members of the Constituent Assembly from the provinces were. Answer is elected by the provincial legislative assemblies. Next questions. Which of the following gave the idea of a Constituent Assembly for India? Answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question is, the Constituent Assembly of India held its first meeting on. Answer is the 9th of December 1946. Next question is, who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, consider the following statements. The Constitution of India has 20 parts. There are 390 articles in the Constitution of India in all. 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th schedules were added to the Constitution of India by the Constitution, Amendment, Acts. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer is 3 only. Next question is, who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer is Sir B. N. Rao. Next question is, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in. Answer is July 1947. Next question is, consider the following statements. The Parliament of India can place a particular law in the 9th schedule of the Constitution of India. The validity of a law placed in the 9th schedule cannot be examined by any court and no judgment can be made on it. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer is 1 only. Next question is, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. Answer the 26th of November 1949. All the best for your exams. You are gonna crack it this year. And don't forget to subscribe MCQ Nerd. Have a good one, guys.